Hey guys, James from SIKKY Manufacturing. If you're installing a hydraulic handbrake and dual caliper brackets in your E36 or E46, we make a line kit that's going to make your life super easy. Let's take a closer look. This SIKKY hydraulic handbrake line kit comes with everything you need for simple installation. It's based off of using an aftermarket Willwood style caliper that requires an 1/8 inch NPT fitting that's converted to -3, which would line up with these lines. These lines are made from stainless steel, so they're high quality and very durable. These stainless braided lines come with a nylon cover to ensure proper abrasion resistance. We already went through the trouble of working out the exact line lengths you need to make this system a simple installation. The two shorter lines included in the kit are the ones that go from the T out to your calipers, and the longer line in the kit goes from that T up to your handbrake master cylinder. Since this line kit is designed to be used with additional rear calipers, the fittings that are provided in the kit are for our reservoir style master cylinder that would come with our pullback reverse handbrake systems. Although this line kit is designed with the lengths in consideration of using our handbrake mount in the E36 and E46, it is a universal kit and can work in just about any configuration. This line kit would make a great addition to the SIKKY handbrake mount, and SIKKY dual rear caliper bracket system. To learn more about this line kit and the other products we make for putting a handbrake in your BMW, make sure you log on to SIKKY.com or get in touch with one of our knowledgeable sales reps today.